Hey, good morning, guys. It's Ashley Pederson with the Ashley Pederson team at Promo Realty, and I wanted to share with you a quick real estate tip. This is specifically for buyers that are shopping in today's market. Inventory is so low. I'm sure you've heard that a lot lately, and it is a hard market for buyers. It's great for sellers, but really tough on those buyers, and buyers can feel very defeated. I have had a listing that a few weeks ago that we got 19 offers on it, and it's just it can be very frustrating for buyers, and they can feel helpless. So it is important to make sure that your offer stands out, and I have 3 tips for you that you guys should really consider doing when making an offer. First of all, when you find a home that you are very interested in and would like to do an offer on, I would suggest going ahead and possibly hiring an inspector to go out and do the inspection. If you have that done ahead of time, then you can waive your inspection contingency and buy it as is if you know what you're getting yourself into. And I know that is a little bit of money up front, but it could help with you getting the deal versus someone else. To a seller, knowing that they don't have to go through the inspection contingency during a contract, that is huge, 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 huge. And a lot of times sellers may even take a little bit less on their property, knowing that, hey, this person's ready to go and they're not going to beat me up on inspections. So I would suggest you have to have a relationship with the inspector. Your agent, I'm sure, will have a relationship with the inspector that can get over there and look at it pretty quickly. But this is a great tactic that will really help you out. Another thing, make sure your agent is calling the listing agent so your agent can understand the seller's situation. What's important to the seller? Does the seller need to stay in their home longer than a typical closing date? Would the seller like to rent back? You don't know what the seller is thinking. You don't know, what's important to them. It's not always all about price. A lot of times price is very important, but there are a lot of factors as well. It could be that the seller is building a home and would like to have more time in their current property, but trying to sell their home now so they have that out of the way and would rent back. So make sure your agent is reaching out to the listing agent to figure out what's important to the seller. Third tactic for you is to offer to pay for the seller's side of the title closing cost, the title fees. So in Jeff City, it's very common to get an offer where the buyer and seller split the title fees 50-50. It helps just a little bit, that's one more little bonus that the other buyers maybe did not think of when writing an offer. So offering to pay for all of those fees could definitely help you out as well. So I hope these 3 tips helped you. If we can ever be of any help to you at the Ashley Pederson team at Promo Realty, please reach out to us. We would love to help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.